Hello my friends, time for drills. Impact bag drills. I often get comments about I'm not using training aids, but this is a classic training aid that we can really use to understand and actually feel different things. I'm going to do a few videos. This is the number one. It will be face control, but we can also use it for swing path. We can use it for feeling the difference between driver and irons, and I'm going to do a few. So we're going to start with at least three during this week, and we're starting with face control. Almost every video I see with the impact bag is about face control, and the only thing they do is trying to get the perfect impact. My bag is filled with the old clothing, so it's pretty heavy. I can hit it pretty hard, nothing really happens. But why are we not trying to feel different kinds of shots? If you hook the ball, the toe of the club is first, closed. If you slice the ball, the heel is first. And if you hit it decent straight, the club face hit the impact bag. I didn't have money enough when I started playing golf to buy an impact bag, but I actually used a sofa pillow to do this. I used tires, I used all kinds of things, but it's always about feeling different shots or different things. You can call it right and wrong, but just the other day I had a girl that she was hitting the ball with such an open club face and she couldn't feel it. So we went for the old impact bag and we started doing this. I wanted her to hit toe first, club face, heel first. Club face, toe first, club face, heel first. And it took like 5 minutes. She was hitting it really, really good because she could feel the difference. You know, I do that. I hook, slice, and hit it straight. I like to do that with a golf ball, but not every day we can go to the driving range. So this is perfect drill if we do it like this. I'll do it really slow. Toe in, club face, heel in first, club face, toe in first, club face, heel in first, club face. It takes like 5 minutes, and then you can feel the difference. You will also feel that toe in is more push of the trail hand, heel in is more pull with the lead hand. So the things we talk about in other videos, you can really feel it with just an impact bag. It's stupid easy. This is something everyone can do. You don't need to buy one of these. You can use a tire, you can use, like I said, sofa pillow, whatever, but it's a good practice. Then try to do it faster. Toe, club face, heel, club face, toe, club face, heel, club face, toe, club face, heel, club face. Don't try to hit it hard. It's no use because you probably break a club or even you can break something you hit. It's all about feel. So when I start hitting golf balls, I can really tell my brain to toe first, hook it, heel first, slice it, or push the club face forward. Easy drill if you want to practice at home. I think this is underestimated. But like always, almost everyone asks about this. All they try to do is do it better and do the perfect impact. And I think we should do a variation to learn the difference between them, because that's how we learn everything else. We need to understand right and wrong.